YouTube subscribers on your YouTube channel. But before doing that, first ask yourself whether it's gonna hurt your YouTube channel or benefit your YouTube channel in one way or another. So in today's video, I'm going to be answering these two questions that most of the people ask themselves before hiding their YouTube subscribers. Hello, welcome again to my YouTube channel. This is Carine Tech Media, as usual, where I help you grow your YouTube channel, improve your video quality, and teach you how to make money online as well. So if you're new here to this channel and would like to know all that, please, I insist you to hit the bell button, subscribe so that you can't miss any of my videos that I make every day. Or enable the notification button so that you can be the first person to be notified whenever I upload any video like this one. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to hide your subscribers on YouTube even when you're using your mobile phone. So stay tuned, keep watching this video until the end so that you can't miss anything important about why you should hide your YouTube subscribers, or is it good to hide your YouTube subscribers. I'll be answering all that in a minute later after showing you how to hide your YouTube subscribers. So let's jump into the video. So guys, what you're going to do, you're going to grab your phone quickly and go to any web browser. For example, let us choose Chrome. Then after, go to YouTube. You're going to write youtube.com, which will take you to YouTube. And then you are going to go there in the right corner, click on the three dots. So after clicking on the three dots, so what you're going to do, you're going to enable the desktop site. You are going to leave a tick there. So you can see that it is turning to a desktop version, so as to easy hide our YouTube subscribers. Then you are going to click on the profile picture on your channel profile picture on the right. Then click that. After clicking there, you are going to click on your channel, which will take you to your channel page. Then, as you can see, the number of subscribers is displayed there, and we wanna hide the subscribers. So what you're going to do, you're going to click on customize channel. And we are loading to YouTube Studio, where we are going to hide our subscribers from. Let us wait a bit. And finally, we are in the YouTube Studio. What you're going to do, you're going to click on the settings icon in the left corner, there down, click there. So they are going to give us settings options. You are going to click on channel on the second option. And then on the second option, you're going to click there up on advanced settings. In the advanced settings, you're going to scroll down where you will see that display the number of people subscribed to your channel. There is a tick there, which means that they are spread there. So when you untick that box, it shows that you are hiding them. You click on save. So our changes have been saved. What you're going to do, you're going to go back on your channel and see. number of subscribers have been hidden. So that is it. So that's how we hide subscribers on YouTube. And we are going to look at 3 main reasons why people hide their YouTube subscribers. Because some hide them and others don't hide them. So some of the reasons why people hide their YouTube subscribers is that they have few subscribers. And when you have few subscribers, it's rare for people to subscribe to a YouTube channel or to view your videos, because they think that you are not serious in what you're doing, or you are a new YouTuber, you are not going to help them, or your videos are not good enough. So it's good to hide the subscribers because you want people to take you seriously and subscribe to your YouTube channel. And the second way is that you want people to trust your content. You want people to trust what is in your video so that they can view more of your videos. Because if you have few subscribers or you have not hidden your subscribers and you have like 20 or 10, people will think as if you are giving them fake things, you are giving them fake content, or you are not giving them full information about what they want. So you want people to trust your content or to trust what you are telling them so that they can like your video and give you a subscribe or a like. So that is the second reason. The third reason is that you want to grow on YouTube. You want to gain more subscribers. So the main reason why people hide their subscribers is that they want to gain more, because people will think that you have like 1,000 or 1,000,000 subscribers and they have liked your content. They will give you another subscriber, gonna give you more subscribers because you have given them what they like. Because if you are making good content and of the good quality, you are going to gain more subscribers, because you might find a person there who has liked your content and invited more people to watch your video, and they might give you likes and viewers. On one way or another, you might get some people who gonna subscribe to YouTube no matter how many subscribers you have. You might leave your subscribers there on your channel, no mattering how people gonna see it or who will judge you. So some people will like your video and give you a subscribe because they want to see you grow, because you have made them happy. Your content has helped them. No matter how many subscribers you have, they will give you a subscribe or tell people that video is very good. They should subscribe to a YouTube channel, and you are going to gain more subscribers without hiding your subscribers. But I really advise you to hide your subscribers, because if you have few subscribers, it's rare to get more viewers than having more subscribers, like 100, like 1,000, 100, and so many others. So hope you found any value in this video and it was helpful to you. If it was, give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe so that you can get more of my videos that I make like this one. And don't forget to leave the notification button on so that you can be the first person to be notified whenever I upload any new videos on this channel. So hope to meet you next time. Thanks for watching.